stand tall. World keeps shaking left and right, trying hard to start a fight. I don't dance in that sound, I stay ground. Good ground under me. That's where I'm meant to be. Good ground for entry. Oh, carry me through. I feel safe where I stand. Bad thoughts knock on my door. I don't feel them anymore. I watch them come, watch them go, like the tide, like the flow. Clear mind, come back again. I don't need to walk so loud. I don't need to lead the crowd. Soft steps still move ahead. That's what I learned. People rush to reach the end. I enjoy the road I'm in. No competition here, just clear. Soft steps, calm pace. I move with grace. Soft steps, slow and sure. That's my cure. Every mile you know. Soft steps, all there. I won't be afraid. Soft steps, so it should pass my throne. Every laugh in your when the sky turned gray, I still find another way. There's a fire, warm and small, inside us all. They can take what I protect. They can steal my self-respect. I don't hide, I don't fight, I keep my light. Light inside, guide my way, night and day. Light inside, calm and strong, where I belong. Just follow the light, feel with belong. Still I move, still I'm strong. I don't stop when things feel slow. I keep going. Every lesson leave a mark. Even walking in the dark, I don't fear what I can't see. I believe. Still moving, step by step. I ain't done yet. Still